On the morning of August 6, 1945, at 2 a.m., mankind witnessed an unprecedented tragedy. A modified American B-29, carrying an atomic bomb nicknamed Little Boy, was en route to Hiroshima, Japan. The bomb would ultimately claim the lives of over 200,000 people. Unaware of the devastation about to unfold, innocent Japanese civilians were about to experience a disaster that would inflict lifelong injuries and illnesses due to radiation exposure. At 8:15 a.m., the atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima. The explosion caused unparalleled destruction. Millions were killed, thousands were severely wounded, and many suffered from the long-term effects of radiation that can still be traced today. Just 3 days later, a similar atomic bomb was dropped on Nagasaki. This human tragedy remains a profound stain on our shared history.